Yes, my people, back with you again. Last time I showed you these pipes with the lock off. Now, here is the finished product. All these are good lettuce. Here you go. So you see, you can also do it on your rooftop, your slab top, as I told you. So you cannot say you cannot deal with no vegetable. Look at them, beautiful, beautiful vegetable, just like that. Everything is green and pretty. Look at this one, lovely. Look at them. And from there, we move into the tomatoes. Look at all these tomatoes. Here you go, bucket, as I showed you guys the last time. Tomatoes, tomatoes, lovely tomatoes. These are the next set of lettuce on the flatbed. But I will show you guys how to deal with the flatbed one of these days. I'll show you how to prepare it one of these days.